TPS Throttle Position Sensor. The Throttle Position Sensor, TPS, is a small but important component in your car's fuel and air management system. 1. What it does. The TPS monitors the position of the throttle plate, the part that controls airflow into the engine. It sends this data as a voltage signal to the Engine Control Unit, ECU. The ECU uses this information to adjust fuel injection, ignition timing, and sometimes transmission shifting. 2. How it works. The sensor is usually mounted on the throttle body. Inside, it has a resistive track and a moving contact linked to the throttle shaft. As you press the accelerator, the throttle plate opens, the sensor's voltage changes, e.g., from 0.5 V at idle to 4.5 V at wide open throttle. 3. Symptoms of a faulty TPS. Rough idle or engine stalling. Poor acceleration or hesitation when pressing the gas. Unstable or high idle RPM. Check engine light, CL, on. Transmission shifting issues, in automatic cars. 4. Common causes of failure. Wear and tear on the internal contacts. Dirt, carbon buildup in throttle body. Wiring damage or loose connectors. 5. Testing the TPS. Use a multimeter to measure voltage change while slowly opening and closing the throttle. Voltage should increase smoothly, any jumps or drops indicate a bad sensor. Many OBD2 scanners can read live TPS data. 6. Maintenance tip. Keep the throttle body clean. Check wiring and connector regularly. Replace if faulty. TPS is usually not reparable. Thanks for watching my video.